Charot. Pagod ka na ba, Ken? Pero ano ang mga preparations niyo for the concert and the tour?
Yes, marami po kami preparation and grabe po yung training namin. Actually po parang ayoko na eh. Medyo na parang nakakahimatay. At maabot sa point na parang we almost like feel like collapsing during training. And for the first time, sinamahan kami ng ngayon, vocal coach namin, vocal trainer, and our bagong dance trainer namin. Para makapag-focus kami, makapag-focus kami sa paggawa ng kanta. And we are really thankful na andyan sila kasi malaking tulong sa endurance namin kasi, you know, kumakanta habang sumasayaw is really, it's really, sobrang nakakapagod, it's really tiring, and malaki din siyang tulong sa physical namin. And lalo na sa pagkanta po, mas naging conscious po kami sa pagdating sa pagkanta kasi hindi naman po kami ganun ka-perfect talaga kumanta. Kahit ano mang sabihin natin, inaamin namin na hindi naman kami ganun ka-perfect kumanta. Ayun po, yun lang masasabi ko na sobrang thankful kami na meron kaming mga gumagabay sa amin, nag-guide sa amin, nag-oversee sa amin. And, ayun.
Ikaw naman, Josh, ano ba yung mga preparations nyo?
Well, yeah, tulad na sinabi ni King, we've gone through really hard training for the tour, especially kasi it's not just gonna be in the Philippines, it's gonna be held actually all over the world. And syempre, sabi nga nila, di ba, if you made it in New York, you can make it all over the world. Sabi, in the US actually, basically. Sabi, lagi mo na mabasa yan. Tapos, ayun, parang, we're very thankful na kami talagang nabibigyan kami ng opportunities na ganito. That's why yung training namin, pinag-iingan pa namin. And saka man haba-haba na yung naging pahinga namin since nagka-pandemic. To be honest, parang medyo nagkaroon din kami ng parang frustrations during those times kasi ang daming limitations. Hindi kami makapag-events masyado, hindi kami makapag-release ng sunod-sunod kasi parang nagiging complicated lahat. And etong bumabalik na nga yung parang normal, we're very confident na we'll be taking this to the next level, and sana sa mga susunod na panahon wala na tayo masyado maging problema like these kinds of pandemics nga, and sana magtuloy-tuloy lang po, and ayun po, sisiguraduhin namin na madadala namin yung Filipino music or Filipino talent sa global scale. Ayun po.
Yes po. And about din po dun sa na-mention ni Josh na parang pagtuloy-tuloy na yung pagkawala ng pandemic. It is, and together with what Ken said earlier na yung pinaghihirapan namin in training. With those things po, for sure, there will be more opportunities for us. And those opportunities po actually drives us to do better, to work harder po. And ayun po, siguro with that training and yung pag-improve nung situation natin ngayon, will give us more opportunities, and we'll work harder for that. Even actually, speaking of working harder, we'll be releasing a documentary series din po about the whole Wyatt. So from recording up to the tour, actually until now, we're documenting this para po ipakita rin sa inyo kung gaano kami nag-work hard for our craft to inspire everyone. So ayun po, we're excited for the opportunities and we're excited to share the things that we do for you. Ayun po.
Alright, we are just as excited as you guys. Honestly, I'm sure a lot of you guys nakabili na ng ticket dahil nga sold out po ang concert, ang kick-off concert ng SB19 sa Araneta. So thank you guys. And of course, this shows just how hard they are working just to give all of our 18 the very best. Now, sleeves up and no turning back. Full throttle to Wyatt. Are you ready? Let's take a look.